Hey skinnies!
What's up guys? Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I am back in the flesh and I'm here. What are we doing? Well, you may ask. Wow, what are we doing this week, you may ask? Today I'm actually doing a tutorial and that's like kind of fun, kind of fresh. I don't know, it's like a different thing because I really don't do tutorials over here. You already know how it go. I just put on my makeup and go. But I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial, something like that maybe. Like I'm gonna skip a few steps. And you're mad at me, but I'm doing what I want because this is my channel. Okay, this lighting is like, why is it always like this? Without further ado, hold up.
Okay, hold up.
Follow me on Instagram, because I feel like you guys are not following me on Instagram, and that's the issue, okay? That is a
problem.
Why are you not following me on Instagram? Hello? You will get everything. You will get your life, you will get good grades, you will cure your acne, like your depression will literally be out the window if you follow me on Instagram. I'm telling you, my posts, I look you snap for the gram, like the outfits be on 10, like I be doing what I do, and I do what I do, and I'm gonna keep doing what I do, it's because I like doing what I do. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started with the look. I'm gonna do my brows, so So that one person who commented, I'm very good at makeup, but I need to practice my brows. This one is for you. My brows are getting better. It's all about progress. It's all about time, you know. It's just like, I'm not gonna get better tomorrow, or I'm not gonna be perfect in a week. See how sharp? I don't want to get too close because you'll start to see how bad they really are. But I'm gonna just start with the eyes and then I'm gonna just like do my basic routine. So like, So I guess I'm gonna just start with the eyes, like I said. So I have this blue look plan. Let me pull you into my fantasy. Let me just pull you into my fantasy. Blue ice lid, dark blue lid on the outer, light blue on the inner, white shine highlight in the inner corners, and maybe a glitter line. I don't know. I don't know. I need to learn my boundaries because I'm not as good as I think I am. I feel like I probably can do it. Like I want to try something new. I want to try something different. Like a dark blue, then a lighter blue, then a blue. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with like packing like this blue, like right, like I'm just gonna literally pack it on very heavy, very hard. I'm gonna mix it with this Take Me Back to Brazil, like blue, white, and mix it with a dab of this light blue in this palette. Gonna take a different brush and dip into a darker blue. These blues from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And put that like on the lid. I'm just gonna take a huge brush like this and just blend it all together. Okay, and it should just look like this.
Yes.
And now we're gonna cut the crease. Okay, crease. Now I'm gonna set the crease with the white from the Morphe X James palette. Okay, this doesn't look bad as it did at first, so that's a plus. This looks like such a big crease. While I'm doing this, I'm going to complain because
Why not?
Today,
Which way?
you know, school just makes me, ooh. It's irritating. It's pressure. It's not fun at all. I took the blue sparkly shade from the Morphe X James palette and I just sprayed it to hopefully make it pop. I'm really packing it on for a real one. I'm gonna take a little of the blue from Take Me Back and put that on as well. I'm gonna go back and reapply the blue from the Morphe X James. I'm gonna go back and reapply the blue from the Morphe X James palette. I'm gonna take, what did I use for dark blue? I forgot what brush I used. Oh, okay, I found it. Is this it? I'm pretty sure this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this blue and go take like a bunch of dark blues from the palette and just put that on the outer crease. I'm gonna go back in with that ice blue shade from the Morphe palette. I'm gonna take my Cosmic Eyeshadow palette and dip into like that white that I've been going crazy with for like a year. I'm gonna spray that and put that on the inner corner for inner corner highlight. Oh my god, it looks so much better in person. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera so you can see. Okay, hello eye. I'm so good at what I do. MUA and a singer. I'm multitasking. I'm taking careers single-handedly. And that's just that. Time to put on gloss. I use about 4 or 3 glosses, so
let's get into it.
Wrong number.
Man, as loud as my business card, the way to check this song for me.
I don't mean to brag, but I be like, put it in the bag. Oh, that's too much. And then a glitter gloss to top it off. Top it off, Alex. Get into the glam, get into the fantasy, get into it. I'm gonna just apply the lashes, take some pictures, and then I'm gonna put everything else on, okay? BRB. I'm gonna be using Shanique Minks in the style Rebel. You can get a pair of your own by clicking the link in my description. Use code JOSH at checkout for, I believe, 20% off. And right, we could be like matching, we could be like cute, we could be twinning. Use that 20% off. Like, girl, get your 20% off. What are you doing? Yes, code Josh. You heard it here. It's code Josh. And get you a pair. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. Bitch! Make sure you use code Josh for checkout. I love them so much. I'm just gonna fly away. Okay, so like, I like it. I like how it came out. I mean, it's pretty cute. That's it. I really don't like the adding the blue to the nose. It looks really stupid now thinking about it, but who cares? So, that is it. Follow me on my Instagram at josheir. And that is it. Love you all and see you in the next video. Mwah.